Chukar partridge, Alectoris chukar. Identification. This medium-sized upland game bird is characterized by its distinctive plumage, including a black band running from the forehead across the eye and down the head, forming a necklace that encloses a white throat. Its flanks are prominently barred with black and white chestnut stripes. Habitat and origin. Chukars are native to the Palearctic region, spanning from southeastern Europe to India and northeastern China. They inhabit rocky, steep hillsides. Introduction. As a popular game bird, the chukar partridge has been widely introduced to other parts of the world, including North America and New Zealand. Classification. It belongs to the pheasant family, Phasianidae, and is a type of partridge. It was once considered conspecific with the rock partridge, Philby's partridge, and Przewalski's partridge, forming a superspecies complex.